probably in the wrong place, but I just wanted to stop and have a look at this. These are stables that are closed for renovation. They must have been here a long time. Now there's a rifle range right down the road this way. Skeet and trap shooting. And these were all stables, and it's all closed now. They're gonna renovate, I guess. I just figured I'd take a walk around. It's a cool old building. The entranceway. Parking for horseback riders with permits only. Now the trails are still open. Oh, there's someone with a horse. Oh, wow. Beautiful. That's what the inside of the stables look like. Guess it's kind of what you would expect. You get a better angle here. Oh, the door's open around the corner. Wow. So these are all horse stables, and there's another structure. I guess that's where they go riding, huh? I think I just stepped in some old horse poo. Oh, I can go into this room also. Looks like the kids have been hanging out in here partying. They used to run the horses in here. How cool. So you could put your horse's name. Bridle trails out that way. I can't imagine the horses like all that gunfire though. Wow. Pretty cool. Old stables are waiting to be renovated. Now the trails are open, so if you have a horse and you're in the Suffolk County region, you could bring your horse here, hit the trails, have fun. I just don't know how the horses handle it like Gunfire. I guess you gotta know your horse. Last little bit of snow. It's like mid-February and it's like 50 degrees. Now, it's not just stables. It's all I can get in. I got in on the other side.